Come along, kids, it's time to play. Let's sing the alphabet the fun-filled way. With rhymes and rhythm, let's start the show. From A to Z, now here we go. A is for apple, juicy and red. Hanging on branches above my head. Crunchy and tasty, oh what a treat. An apple a day is fun to eat. B is for ball that bounces so high. Up in the air and into the sky. We kick it, we toss it, we chase it around. It rolls and it spins and it jumps off the ground. C is for cat with fur so neat. She naps in the sun or chases her feet. She purrs when she's happy, climbs a tree. She's soft and sweet as a pet can be. D is for dog who wags his tail. He runs in the park and follows the trail. He barks with joy and gives a hug. He's a playful, happy, tail-wagging pug. E is for elephant, big and wide. He walks with pride and trunk held high. He splashes in water, trumpets with glee. He's the biggest one you'll ever see. F is for fish that swims in the sea. With shiny scales for you and me. It flips and flops and swims so fast, wiggling its fins as it zooms right past. G is for goat with a funny bleat. Climbing up hills with sturdy feet. He chews on grass and hops on a log. He's the star of the barnyard, that silly old goat dog. H is for hat that sits on my head. It's yellow or purple or sometimes red. A cap or a crown or a wizard's cone. I wear my hat when I'm all alone. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. A summer snack and a frozen treat. Vanilla or chocolate, one scoop or two. Lick it quick before it melts on you. J is for jelly, wobbly and fun. It jiggles and wiggles and shines in the sun. With strawberry, grape, or raspberry taste. I eat it up, not a drop to waste. K is for kite flying up so high. Sailing and swirling across the sky. Hold on tight, don't let it go. Watch it dance in the wind that blows. L is for lion, mighty and loud. With a golden mane, he stands so proud. He rose so strong through jungle and plain. The king of the wild with a royal reign. M is for moon that glows so bright, shining down through the silent night. It lights up dreams and glows above. A silver friend we see and love. N is for nest in a tree so high, where baby birds chirp and learn to fly. Twigs and leaves keep them warm inside, with mama bird watching side by side. O is for octopus deep in the sea, with 8 long arms as twisty as can be. He squirts some ink and hides in a cave. He's clever and quiet and also brave. P is for penguin, black and white. He waddles around, what a funny sight. He swims in the water, cold and blue, with a little tuxedo, so cute and true. Q is for queen with a sparkling crown. She rules the land in a royal gown. She waves to the people and smiles so bright. In her shining castle, full of light. R is for rainbow after the rain, with red and yellow in a lovely chain. Green and blue and violet too. A sky full of magic just for you. S is for sun that shines all day. It warms the earth in every way. It helps the flowers bloom so wide and paints the sky at evening tide. T is for train with a chug and cheer. It rolls on tracks far and near. Toot toot. It goes from town to town with big wheels spinning round and round. U is for umbrella, big and round. It keeps me dry when rain falls down. With colors bright, I twirl it fast, splashing through puddles as I pass. V is for violin, soft and sweet. It plays a tune with a gentle beat. With strings and bows, it starts to sing a lovely sound on a golden string. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming in oceans so deep and true. He sings a song, so low and long, the sea's own music, strong and strong. X is for xylophone, click and chime. It plays a tune in perfect time, with rainbow bars and little sticks. Let's make music and learn new tricks. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. It spins and twirls around and around, with a string so fast and colors bright. I play with my yo-yo day and night. Z is for zebra, black and white. He gallops in fields with joy and light, with stripes so cool and eyes so wide. He runs with friends and walks with pride. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and say the ABCs with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing the alphabet again. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Dance along, so happily. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the alphabet, yippee. Come on, sing it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and say the ABCs with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing the alphabet again. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Dance along, so happily. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the alphabet, yippee. Hooray, hooray. We've reached the end. Each letter's now your learning friend. From apple to zebra, what fun we had. Singing the alphabet makes us glad. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Let's sing again another day.